In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Salesforce using Salesforce Trailhead, all explained in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will provide you with a comprehensive introduction on how to navigate through Salesforce Trailhead and make the most out of it. Let's dive in right at the start, which involves heading over to trailhead.salesforce.com. This is where your learning journey with Salesforce truly begins. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account here. Signing up is straightforward. Just enter some basic details and choose a secure password. Once you're all set up, you're ready to explore the vast array of learning opportunities available. After creating your account, take some time to browse through what Trailhead calls trail mixes. These are thoughtfully curated learning paths designed to align with either your current role or the skill level you're aiming to achieve. Whether you're in sales, a developer, or an admin, there are role-based pathways that can help you build pertinent skills. Each trail mix is structured to guide your learning in a focused and progressive manner. Next, you'll want to navigate to the certification section. Here, I suggest kickstarting your training with beginner modules, particularly something like Salesforce Platform Basics. These initial modules are crucial as they lay down a solid foundation and introduce you to the Salesforce environment, which you'll be dealing with in real-world scenarios. Once you've got your basics, the next step is a bit more interactive. Hover over to your profile and click on the Hands-on Orgs tab. This is where you get access to your free developer org, a personal playground provided by Salesforce. It's essential because it allows you to apply what you learn in the modules through practical experience, solidifying your knowledge and skills. Now, in your developer org, it's time to roll up your sleeves and complete hands-on challenges. These challenges are designed to test your understanding and give you practical experience with the concepts you've been learning. It's an excellent way to reinforce your knowledge and build confidence in using the Salesforce platform. As you complete each module and its hands-on tasks, you'll earn badges. These aren't just digital stickers, they actually represent your achievements and competencies in specific areas of Salesforce. Think of them as milestones on your learning journey. Finally, continue to track your progress and slowly transition into more advanced modules as you grow more comfortable with the basics. Keep pushing your boundaries and challenging yourself to learn new aspects of Salesforce over time, and soon you'll find yourself not just proficient, but perhaps even a Salesforce expert. Following these steps will not only get you started with Salesforce Trailhead, but also set you on the path to becoming proficient in using Salesforce to its full potential. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.